Observe very carefully, all of you. So now we will discuss, we will revise very few concepts in motion chapter today. So now, as we know in our class 9th, first chapter in physics is motion. So now first you should know what do you mean by motion and as well as rest. So as we know, if any kind of object, if we'll consider, if any kind of object, if it is changing its position with respect to time and as well as surroundings, we can say the body is in motion. Is it yes or no? Right? So now when I have seen the body, it is here. After 1 minute here, after 1 minute here, after 1 minute here, after 1 minute here. Like that continuously the body position is keep on changing with respect to time. Yes or no, Jayvarshini? So this case we can say the body is in motion. Now I have been noticed another body. For example, let me take a tree. Let me take a tree. So if you'll observe a tree, so what is the tree, Monish? What will happen to the tree? So today you can observe, tomorrow you can observe, day after tomorrow you can observe. So every day you can observe the position of the tree will be where, Monish? The same place. So with respect to time, the position is always fixed. Yes or no? Fixed position. So that we can say this is called as the body is in what? Rest. Yes or no, guys? Please respond me.
Yes, sir.
With respect to time, with respect to things, if any body is not changing its position, we can say it is in rest. With respect to surroundings and time, if any body is displacing, then we can say the body is in motion. Yes or no, Ra? Please respond. Now,
Yes, sir.
motion, if you consider the motion, so in this chapter, first you have to understand two things. One is distance and as well as the second one is displacement. What is that, Alana? Distance and displacement. Yes or no, Tamil Selvan? Yes, Shruti? Okay. Now, distance and displacement. Try to understand very carefully. So, for example, let me take now, this is PDKT. What do you mean by PDKT, Ra? Pudukkottai. Correct or not? Now, this is MAS. MAS means what? Chennai Central. Yes or no? Please respond me.
Yes, sir.
If I'll construct a straight road, here, this is the one of the path which we can go directly to the MAS from Pudukkottai. Now, I will construct via Trichy, another road. This is the another road which is constructed via Trichy, understanding, Viluppuram, Coimbatore, understanding, that is all. Finally, I reached this one. This is the another road. Okay. Now, this is via Trichy, correct? Now, another road I constructed, that is from via Trichy, next Tanjore, Kumbakonam, understanding, Chidambaram, and etc. etc. This is even more turning. So this is the another path which we have been chosen from the PDKT to Chennai. So if we'll go like this, you go Karaikudi, Madurai, Trichy, and etc. etc. This is the another road which we can go to the Chennai. Yes or no, guys? Please respond me.
Sir.
Like that,
Yes, sir.
path. We have a different path to travel from Pudukkottai to, understanding, Chennai Central. So now here if you'll observe, everything is called as distance only. So the total length of this path, or this path, or this path, everything we is to called as, what we should call them? The total length of path is called as distance. What we should call, Tamil Selvan? Distance. Understand, Jayvarshini? So this distance we is to represent with a yes. Please, all of you remember. So what is the symbol of distance? Distance is represented. Yes. Understand? Now, out of this, for example, here I have shown you the 4 paths. Now, out of this 4 paths, which path you can choose very quickly? Suppose, let me imagine now, Yelamukili has been chosen this one. Now, Pradosh has been chosen this one. Now, Monish has been chosen this one. And Tamil Selvan has been chosen this one. Now, out of this one, which one, who can reach the MAS, Chennai Central, fastly? Maitreya and Monish is not joined. Pradosh.
Sir, Yelamukil, sir.
Yelamukil. So Yelamukil will reach us Chennai Central very fastly. Yes or no, Shruti? Laksha? So why call to Manya and Samaya? So why he can reach us very fastly? Because this is the shortest route. Yes or no? This is the shortest route which can join these two cities, Pudukkottai and as well as Chennai Central. So that is why Yelamukil can drive faster than these two fellows. Means he can reach us the Chennai Central much faster because he is having a straight road between from Pudukkottai to Chennai Central. So this straight road, which is the shortest path, and always it will be in what? Straight line only. What is the specialty of this one? Straight line always between any 2 points.
Straight line only.
Shortest path and as well as straight line path. So this is also we can call it as what? Distance. But this distance alone we can call displacement. What we should call?
Displacement.
Do you understand, guys? So this displacement also will represent with what? What we can represent? Yes. Now, here one point you should remember. Suppose in reason assertion they will ask you, Yelamukil, is it every distance will become displacement? Is it my question true or false? Is it every displacement, every distance is becoming displacement? Alana, Laksha, is it every distance will become displacement? No. Understanding? Every distance cannot become displacement, but every displacement can become what? Every displacement can become what? Distance. Understand?
Distance.
So every displacement, every distance is not displacement. Do you understand, Shruti? Tamil Selvan? Every distance is not displacement, but every displacement what? Every displacement is a distance. Every displacement is a distance. Are you clear, guys? What I'm saying? So this is the difference between distance and as well as displacement. Are you clear, everybody? So both ways to represent the yes only and the units also. Yesterday I asked the same thing. That is, so what is the units of distance and displacement? Both will represent with a what? SI unit is meters. What is the SI unit? One meters or kilometers also. And what is the CGS unit? What is the CGS full form? Anybody? What is the CGS full form? What happened to Maunesh, Pradosh? Maunesh is not joined. And Manya and Samya also. Please call them. Now, what is the CGS full form? Anybody? Yelamukil? Shruti? Jayvarshi?
Centimeter gram second.
Yes. So CGS. CGS means centimeter gram second. What do you mean by SI? Standard International.
Standard International.
Done that. Next, our Indian system, old system of units, MKS units. What is this? MKS system. It is our old Indian system. Our old Indian systems. Meter, understanding, centimeter, meter, gram, kilogram, second, meter, kilogram, second. This is our ancient Indian system of units. Understand, Pradosh? Tamil Maitreyan? Tamil Selvan? MKS system of units. What is MKS? Meter, kilogram, second. So most of them, they know only CGS and SI. Even CGS also so many don't know, but you should learn that. Understand, Alana? Jayvarshini, clear? Jayvarshini, any doubt in this? Laksha? So this is called as distance and displacement. What we should call? Distance and displacement. So now, here itself I am saying you. So if you'll take, for example, let me take now, I will give you triangle. So now triangle, this is the path which has been chosen. So let me imagine this is a point A, B and C. Now in this, what is the displacement between A and C and what is the distance between A and C? Anybody can say? I want distance and displacement. So distance equals to what will become, Ra? Distance equals to what? This length.
Sir, AB plus BC, sir.
That is. So distance between A and C is equals to AB plus BC. But what is the displacement between A and C?
AC, sir.
AC, sir.
That's all. Do you understand? AC. Distance is equals to AB plus BC. What is the displacement? Displacement what?
AC.
Displacement is equals to AC. That's all. If they will give sides, you have to add that sides. Understand everybody? Clear?
Sir.
Yes. Now, for
Sir.
the person, suppose, let me imagine now, Shruti only. Shruti started from A and she reaches to the A. Now, what is the distance? Anybody? She reaches to the A. What is the distance? Distance equals
Sir,
to
AB plus BC plus
AB, BC,
AC.
CA.
AB plus
Plus
BC.
AC. Correct? Now,
Yes, sir.
yes, she reaches to the A again. So, what is the displacement? Displacement will
Zero,
become
sir. Zero.
zero. Understand, Jayvarshini? Because she reaches to the same point again. She reaches to the same point, displacement will become what?
Okay.
Zero. Suppose if
Zero,
she
sir.
will stop at point C, then what is the displacement? If she will stop at point C, what is the displacement? AC is the displacement.
AB plus BC.
AC.
Hello,
AC.
displacement I am asking. Shruti, displacement I am asking.
Okay, sir.
Displacement means AC alone. Understand, Laksha? Pradosh? Tamil Selvan?
Sir. Sir.
Sir.
Clear? That is. So, whenever, suppose, if you'll take, for example, if you'll take circular motion, at last we'll study. Again, I'm saying, if the body started from, let me imagine now, Jayvarshini is started from here, A, and this is the point B, as we know, diameter of the circle. So now, she started moving, she completed one rotation. Now, what is the distance? Distance is equals to circumference of a circle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Equals to what? 2 pi r or pi d. Yes or no? Pi d.
Yes, sir.
Completed first round. One round is completed. Again, she came to A. So now, what is the distance equals to? Pi d or 2 pi r. Now, what is the displacement in this case? Complete round. Displacement. Right?
Zero, sir.
So displacement means zero. It is directly. Suppose she has been made only half round. Tamil Selvan, what is the displacement? Displacement. Distance equals to what?
Diameter.
Yeah.
AB.
Suppose half round. Distance equals to what will become? Pi d by 2. Yes or no, guys? Pi d by 2.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Or we can say pi r. Or we can say what? Pi r. Why pi r?
Pi
By
r.
2 will get
It's
cancelled.
only half.
Yes or no? That is pi r will come.
Yes,
Is it okay, guys? Let's respond.
Yes, sir.
What is the displacement in this case? Displacement
Sir,
is
diameter.
it is equals to diameter. What is that? Diameter.
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 Okay. 2 into r. What is that? 2 into r.
Into R.
Yes or no? That is. Are you clear in this concept? Any doubt? Pradosh, what happened
Yes,
to
sir.
Mani?
No, sir.
And Lakshan, Manya? Manya,
Sir.
call to that them. That is, are you clear? Everybody, please respond.
Yes, sir. Clear,
Yes, sir.
sir.
So
Yes, sir.
we have to be very clear with the shapes. Understand? That's all. Now that is also I want to say. Next, at last end of the chapter we'll study. This is also same thing. For example, he has been completed. The person, it is a square. What is this? Square it is. Listen carefully. It is a square. Now let me imagine. Now Laksha is started from here. Now Laksha completed A, B, C, and D. A, B, and C, and D. Now, Laksha completed one round, one complete round, and she again came to A point. So now what is the distance? What is the distance, Ra?
Sir, AB plus BC plus CD plus
Four
DA.
A.
AB plus BC plus CD
BC
plus AD, which is equals to what? It's a square. So 4 into A. Yes or no?
4A.
One side A. So A means 4 into A. Yes or no? Now, what is the displacement in this case, Tamil Selvan?
0, sir.
Zero, sir.
Displacement is equals to 0. What is that? 0.
Zero.
Understand, Tamil Selvan? Please respond.
0.
Yes or no? Now, let me answer my question,
Okay.
everybody. Try to answer, Laksha. Open mouth, opening mouth only will improve your skill. I am saying everybody. Tamil Selvan, and particularly who are silent in the meeting. When we are started communicating only, we will improve. Remember. Now, when the body will stop at B point, what is the distance? When the suppose body started at A and body will start at B point, what is the distance? Distance will become
AB, sir.
AB.
distance equals to A. Yes or no? Yes
Yes,
or
sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
Because one side is A, this side also become A, this side also will become A, this side also will become A. Now, if the body will stop at B point, what is the displacement, Delmukil, Maitrayan?
Sir, A only,
Also
sir.
will become A. Yes or no? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Nobody will answer. Now, same. Now, let me take. Body will stop at point C. Now, A, B, C, and D. Now, body will stop at point C. Point C started at point A and started at
2A.
Now, what is the distance? Ella Jayvarshini,
Sir,
what is the
A
distance?
plus U.
Distance equals
A
to
plus
B.
U, 2 years, sir.
AB plus
A.
BC, which is
A
equal
plus
to
A.
what? A plus A equals to what? 2A. Now,
2A.
now, Shruti will say, what is the displacement, Shruti, in this case? Displacement equals to. Don't say 2A. So by the time, you should not take, this is, displacement means what? The shortest path between them.
Shortest
AC,
line.
sir.
Shortest path. So what is the displacement? AC. Correct? So this AC, how to find AC? We cannot find. So we have to use here mathematics. That is only. This is similar to what? Right angle triangle. Yes or no?
Pythagoras theorem.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Pythagoras theorem.
Use Pythagoras theorem. Okay. That is only ABBC. So what is the Pythagoras theorem? AC square is equals to what?
Hypotenuse square.
Side
is
square
equal to
plus side
side
square.
plus
BC square. Understanding? AB square plus BC square. Understand?
BC
Ra?
square.
By the time we used to get
Yes, sir.
equals to what is that? Root of AB square plus BC square. Furinjicha, understand?
Yes,
Ra?
sir.
Everybody, this is only when he will
Yeah.
stop at C point. Yes or no? Jayvarshini, are you clear? Elmukil? Laksha, respond Laksha.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, suppose if you will stop at point D, then you can tell me what is the distance? What is the distance? When he will stop at point D, distance equals to what?
3A.
AB plus BC
Yeah.
plus CD, which equals to
BC
what?
plus
Plus
CD.
A plus
A plus
A
A plus
plus A plus
3A,
A.
3A.
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 Displacement. What is the displacement? Tamil Selvan.
That is AD.
Equals to what?
Sir,
1 year,
AD,
sir.
sir.
1 year.
Displacement equals to
Yeah.
AD.
directly.
Yes, sir.
Directly, it is AD, which is equals to what?
AD.
Clear, guys?
Yeah.
A.
That is so 4 different cases I am saying. So now, if we take rectangle also, rectangle same again. So now, rectangle, let me take, so because different shape we have to study. Now, let me take now Alana. Alana is standing here. Now she started she stopped at point B. Stopped at point B means in the sense of, what is the distance, Ra? Distance.
AB, sir.
Distance equals to AB. So as we know, this is length, correct? This is breadth, correct? So let me imagine this
Sir,
is,
breadth, sir.
and this also will become A, and this will become B, and this will become B. Okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, so distance AB. AB means what? A, correct? What is the displacement? What is the displacement?
Sir, that also A only.
Sir, that also.
AB, sir.
Is
A.
also equals to A. Is it clear, Jayvarshini? Clear? Next.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
suppose he will stop at C point. He will stop. Alana will stop at C point. Alana, you are only not responding. Laksha, please.
Sir, A plus B, sir.
What is the distance if she will stop at point C?
Sir, A plus B.
What is the distance?
Sir,
Distance.
A plus
A
B.
plus
Wait.
B, sir.
Distance is equals to AB plus BC.
AB plus
Equals
B.
to what?
AB plus BC.
Which is equals to
A
A
plus B.
A
Not
plus
AB.
B.
Not AB.
A
A
plus
plus B not equals to AB. Remember. Now, what is the displacement here? Displacement. Displacement.
Sir,
Displacement
AC.
equals to what? Again, same thing. What is that?
Sir, AC, sir. AC. AC.
Right angle triangle.
AC.
Diagonal, sir. AC.
So diagonal, you can make it. What is that again? You have to apply which theorem? Displacement equals to
Pythagoras theorem.
Pythagoras theorem. So A
Pythagoras
square is equals to what? AB square plus.
AB square plus BC square.
BC square.
So AC is equals to what will come? Maitreyan. A root of AB
So,
square.
AB square plus BC
Plus
square.
BC square.
If suppose he will stop at point D. If suppose he will stop at point D. Alana will stop at point D. Now, what is the distance? Everybody,
Sir, 2A plus B, sir. 2A plus B.
wait. Distance equals to what? AB plus BC plus
BC plus CD.
which is equals to what? A plus B plus
A plus
C,
B
which
plus
is equals
A.
to what? A plus C, 2A plus B.
2A plus
A,
B.
2AB plus B.
2A plus B. Now, 2A plus B. Now, 2A plus B will come here. What is the displacement? Displacement equals to what?
Sir, AD.
AD, which is equals to what?
B, sir.
B. Understand, Ra?
B.
Now, here you can see. With the help of this, we can set a one MCQ question. Jayvarshini, have you understand? Now only I have got the idea. With the help of this, we can set in one MCQ question. Is it yes or no, guys? Check it very carefully. Now,
Sir.
for example, let me see. Same, I won't give you the values. Elmukil, you can answer. From this, we can set an MCQ or not? I can set a 4 MCQs. Yes. How means? I will give you an exam. I will give you exam. Suppose let me imagine one rectangle only. I will ask you down, bottom. Question number 1. If the body will stop, A, B, C, D, I will say, body started at point D. Reverse I am coming. Body started at point D and he has been stopped at point B. Then what is the distance and what is the displacement? I will ask you. Bottom I will give you. Distance means, what is the distance? I will give you what?
No, A plus B.
Yes, I will give you here also. So this is A and this is A and this is B and this is B. Like that I will give you. So what is the distance, Ra? Body started from A, sorry,
A
started
plus
from D and
A
he
plus
stopped
B,
at
sir.
B. Now, what is the
plus B.
distance? Distance equals to
A
what?
plus B.
Distance is A plus B. Now, what is the displacement? Displacement we have to find it.
AB,
That are not.
BB,
So what
BD.
is that? You have to find it. What is that? BD square is equals to,
BD.
what is that? BD square equals to DC square plus
DC square plus
CB square. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now, BD square is equals to DC square means how much, Ra? DC means what? DC means
B-
A.
B
A
square,
square. DC means A square plus CB means what? CB means B square.
square.
Correct, guys?
B square.
Respond. So now,
Yes, sir.
so BD here. So now, BD is equals to what will come? If you'll get,
A
what is
square.
that?
A plus B.
Plus
So,
B square root.
A square plus root of B square. So square will get cancelled.
Root cancel.
A plus B.
A plus B.
Do you understand, Ra? Everybody, please respond.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
That's all. So
Yes, sir.
I will give you an option. A plus B, comma A plus B. Next, AB into A plus B. Like that options I will give. So you have to choose which option? This option. Are you clear, Ra? Mind. Understand? Now, I only now understand we can set a one question from this. Yes or no? Alana? Laksha?
Yes, sir.
Yes? No.
Yes, sir.
Same question I will give you now. Down. Down values I can give. Values is suppose. Let second question, subdivision question number 2. Let A equals to 3 centimeter and B equals to 9 centimeter. Now, I will ask you, then what is the displacement and what is the distance? So then what you have to do? Tell me. You have to substitute the values. A plus B
draw
means
the
what?
diagram.
Substitute the value and want to find,
Yes,
sir.
A plus B, 3 plus 9 is equals to what? 12. And
Twelve.
A plus B,
12.
which is also equals to what? 12. So in this case,
12,
distance
sir.
become
12, sir.
distance and displacement
12,
both are equal. Yes or no? Distance and displacement both are equal. Yes or no? That is you have to understand. Clear,
Yes,
guys?
sir.
Yes? Right.
Sir.
Sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So now we have learned two new way of thinking skills. This is what I want to teach you today. So Shruti, I understand, Shruti, what is the way of asking question? This is what we should call it as twisting of question, because till now we people have seen that values only in the numericals. Yes or no? Ra? Now you are seeing the alphabets. Have you seen? Options also contains alphabets. So people will get confused. And yeah, no Google contains this kind of questions. Is it yes or no? You can browse any website. Is it have you seen anywhere?
Yes,
till now?
sir.
Yes.
sir.
Now, why
No, sir.
people have done this? Because we are thinking now. We are started solving now, so that we are getting like these questions. Understand, Jayvarshini? What we are doing? Maitrayan?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So definitely like these questions we can say. This is called as competency based questions. Unless until you don't know the concept clearly, we people cannot answer these questions and we cannot even browse it also. Have you noticed it? That is a specialty of these questions. Okay. So that is why be a logical mind always. So always we have to be like this only. So this time maximum I will set a question paper according to the using brain only. It's not difficult. If you are not using brain, you people will never improve. That's all. You cannot even solve it. So this is what this question. So distance and displacement. Any doubt in this? Whatever the shape they will ask you. Yeah. Whatever the shape
No,
they will
sir.
so you have to do it. That's all according to that. Understand the Elamukil? Clear, Elamukil?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, that's all. So now as we have studied. Next, uniform motion and non-uniform motion. So as we know, uniform motion. What do you mean by uniform motion? Equal distance in equal interval of time.
Equal interval of time.
Both are equal.
Equal interval.
Time is also equal and distance traveled by a body is also equal. So that is called as what we should call uniform motion. Understand?
Uniform motion.
The body is traveling equal distance in equal interval of time. That is called as uniform motion. Yes or no? Please respond, everybody. So
sir.
distance and time.
Sir.
So here
Sir.
will come what? Here will come distance. Here will come what? Time.
Distance, time.
Always
Time.
So here two things you have to remember: equal distance and equal interval of
Equal
time.
internal time.
That is called as uniform motion. Not these two values are same. Do you understand, Ra? Not these two values are same. Time is some equal intervals and distance is some equal distances. Then that is called as uniform motion. Now, non-uniform motion. Jayvarsini, can you say what is non-uniform motion? Alana, non-uniform motion means what? We have two definitions for non-uniform motion. What is that, guys? Elmukil, Tamil Selvan,
The
Pradosh?
body
Yes. So
travel
first
at
thing,
distance
let
in
it-
unequal interval
yes,
of time.
first definition. So non-uniform motion, the graph will be like this. So this is distance
Go,
graph
sir. Go.
and this is time graph. So what is the first one? Equal distances in unequal interval of time.
Unequal interval of time.
Understanding, Ra? Equal distances in unequal interval of time. Or what will come?
Unequal distance.
Unequal distance,
Unequal
equal time.
distances in equal interval of
Equal
time.
time.
Do you understand, Shruti? Are you clear, Shruti? Respond. Laksha, what is happening? Are you there in meeting? I'm asking you only. So either equal distances in,
Sir.
understand, equal distances in unequal interval of time or unequal distances in equal interval of time. Both we should call it as what, guys? Non-uniform motion. What we should call?
Non-uniform.
And this is
motion.
called as
Non-uniform
uniform motion. Uniform motion. So have you seen? Is there any doubt in this, Jayvarsini, Tamil Selvan, Alana?
Sir, no doubt, sir.
No. Clear?
No, sir.
If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Next, speed, velocity, and acceleration. It's okay, Laksha. But you have to sometimes I heard your voice, but later I am not hearing. So adjust the things and make it. So next, speed, velocity, and acceleration. So speed, velocity, and acceleration is not a new thing. Yesterday, even Shruti forgot the symbols. I told you already. So as we know, according to yours level, speed in this chapter, whenever I will use speed, velocity, both you have to consider same. But actually, they have a slight difference. So that is what you have to note it down. Speed, velocity, and acceleration. So as we know, speed, velocity, and acceleration. Speed means what? So speed is equals to, what is the formula? Ra? Speed is equals to
Distance by time.
By time.
Distance by time.
distance traveled divided by time taken.
Time taken.
Time
So distance traveled divided by, don't say distance by time. Okay. Time taken. Okay. So now speed symbol is what? V. V is the symbol for
Daily
speed.
speed, sir. Daily
Distance traveled is S. Time taken is T. That's all.
T,
Understand,
sir.
Tamil Selvan? So V equals to S by T. This is the what? Symbol of speed. Understanding? V equals to S by T. Understand, Shruti? Please respond. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Next. So the speed, what is the speed we can use to measure with the help of speedometer? What is that? Speedometer. So speedometer will give you at that moment whatever the speed we have, instant speed it will give you. So in our vehicles we have two things. One is when you're raising accelerator, it is used to rise. Suppose it will looks. Have you noticed it? One needle is keep on rising like this. Yes or no?
Speedometer.
This is called as speedometer. So the unit of speedometer will be kilometer per hour. Have you noticed it? Yes or no? So this is the SI unit.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Basically, we can say meter per second is also SI unit of
speed. This both are called as what? SI unit of speed. Understand, guys? Meter per second or kilometer per hour are called as SI unit of speed. What is the CGS unit of speed? Everybody, CGS unit of speed, centimeter per second. What is that?
Centimeter per second.
Centimeter per second. Kindly all of you remember. This is called as CGS unit. What is that? Centimeter per second. And what is the SI unit, guys? SI unit is called as meter per second or
Per second.
kilometer per hour.
Kilogram per hour. Kilogram per hour.
Your father car or your mother car or bike, whatever it is you observe, outside one reading will be there. That is called as speedometer. Now, middle bike, if you'll observe, we have a small rings. My train, what is happening also, I don't know. Small rings will be there. Inside it is reading. Have you noticed it? Yes or no? So it will say like 50,000 kilometer it has been traveled distance and all. This is called as odometer. What do you call it? Odometer. So, odometer will give you total distance traveled by a body. What is that? Total distance traveled by a body. So that the unit is always in kilometers. What is that? Odometer. Odometer. What is the unit? Kilometer. This is also one of the MCQ. What is the unit of speedometer? Speedometer is in our vehicles. In our vehicles, the speedometer unit is kilometer per hour.
Kilometer per hour.
MCQs they will give you meter per second also. Which one you have to choose? In vehicles, I am mentioning in vehicles. So which one you have to choose?
Meter per second.
Meter per second. Then what is the use of
Kilometer per hour, sir.
kilometer per hour? Do you understand? So in vehicles, understanding speedometer unit which has been mentioned is kilometer per hour. Understand, Jayavarshini? Shruti? So MCQs, if they will ask you meter per second, centimeter per second, kilometer per second, or none of the above, then which option you have to choose, Pradosh? Tamil Selvan. Kilometer per hour.
Kilometer per
Kilometer
hour.
per hour.
Same way, what is the unit of odometer in our vehicles? What is the unit? Kilometer.
Kilometer.
They may be give you centimeter, they may give you meters. Understand? They may be give you mile also. So mile is the Indian unit. Understanding? It is the miles. Miles is the bigger unit of kilometer. What is that? Bigger unit of kilometer. That is also I will say. So 1 mile is equals to, even if you go America and all, they will say distance in miles only. So 1 mile is equals to, exactly if you want to say 1.6 kilometers. 1 mile is equals to how much, Ra? 1.6 kilometers. Okay, Ra? But generally in that miles also we have a 2 miles. One is basic mile, another one is standard mile. Standard mile is 1.6, basic mile is 1.5 kilometers. This is variation. So 1.5 we don't want. Standard mile, 1 mile is equals to how much, Ra? 1.6 kilometers. That is how to remember. Is it okay, guys? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? That is how to remember. This is what speedometer and as well as Darun, odometer we can say. Speedometer and odometer. Darun, you have to be in time, Darun. Speak, at least say yes, sir. You have to be very in time every time. Don't be late. Okay. Next, as we know, what is the speed? Speed is a scalar. Is here we are not talking about any direction. Yes or no? No direction we are talking. So no direction. So no direction, only magnitude. What is that? Only magnitude.
Only magnitude.
So that is why if any kind of quantity, if you are speaking only magnitude, no direction, this is called as scalar quantity. What we should call? Scalar quantity.
Scalar quantity.
Understand, guys? Scalar quantity. So kindly please understand this. This is called as what we should call? Scalar quantity. Hope you all understand it.
Quantity.
Yes or no? Scalar quantity. Clear, guys? That is. So this is what we should call as speed. Now, average speed. Average speed. So I am talking about average speed, not at uniform acceleration. Average speed means what is the formula? Everybody? Total distance traveled. Divided by
Total time.
Total time taken.
So this is the general formula of average speed.